Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your DirecTV remote. First, let's start with the easiest method. Begin by sliding open the battery cover on the back of your remote. Carefully remove both batteries. Wait for about 15 to 30 seconds. This brief pause allows any residual power to dissipate, effectively clearing the remote's temporary memory. Then, reinsert the batteries, ensuring they are correctly oriented according to the positive and negative indicators. Close the battery cover, and your remote should now be reset and ready to use. This simple step often resolves many common remote control issues. If the basic battery removal doesn't work, we can try an advanced system reset. This method is particularly useful for more stubborn issues or when your remote isn't responding at all. Locate the mute and select buttons on your remote. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds. You'll notice the green light at the top of your remote flash twice. This indicates that the remote has entered programming mode. Release the buttons, and then enter the code 981 using the number pad. The green light will flash 4 times, confirming a successful system reset. This should re-establish proper communication with your DirecTV receiver. After a full reset, you might need to reprogram your remote to control your television and other devices. To do this, press and hold the mute and select buttons again until the green light flashes twice. Then, release the buttons. Next, enter the 5-digit code for your television brand. You can usually find these codes in your DirecTV manual or online. Once the code is entered, the green light will flash again, confirming the programming. Test your remote's functions, like volume and power, to ensure it's working correctly with all your connected equipment. This step is crucial for full functionality. If you're still experiencing issues after resetting and reprogramming, here are a few troubleshooting tips. First, always check your batteries. Low battery power is a common culprit for unresponsive remotes. Replace them with fresh ones if needed. Second, ensure there's a clear line of sight between your remote and the DirecTV receiver. Any obstructions can interfere with the signal. Third, if your remote is very old or has sustained physical damage, it might be time to consider a replacement. DirecTV offers various remote models, and a new one could resolve persistent problems, giving you a smooth viewing experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.